Look at this shit. Wow, this is amazing. Oh crap, my lens is foggy. Ah, well. Look at that. I've never seen it like this. I've seen it high, but not like this. What the fuck is that? That looks like a fucking somebody's golf cart or bicycle or tent. Oh shit. What can we find today around here? Look at that's someone's house. Check out my YouTube channel. Beautiful by Nature 33 equals 6. How did I get the lock off? Okay. Oh, look. Well, I guess we're going to manage it. Ew. I'm glad I brought my fucking old man shoes. Oh, shit. Sorry, guys. Oh, this is cold. Ew. Oh. Yeah. Oh, look, someone's fucking house.